boys? Welcome back. Listen, today I went on eBay and I was like, you know what? I want to buy some carbon fiber bits for the interior. Man, oh man, $300, $500, $1,000. I was like, I'm going the cheap route. So what I did was buy some carbon fiber wrap. That's what we're gonna be doing today. Just wrapping those interior bits in carbon fiber. Also, we got the E46 working. Here's what was wrong. Well, here's what I thought was wrong. I did buy positive battery cable, but it was not the positive battery cable. I thought it was gonna be corroded. So I went in the trunk, started messing around with the negative battery cable, and come find out, the bolt wasn't all the way tight. It was still kind of loose. It would tighten, but it wasn't exactly tight. So I had to wrench it a little bit more, and it just tightened up all the way. Now it just starts up and it stops. Did buy a new gas cap. The gas cap was giving me a gas, thing on the inside of the car. Bought a new gas cap, replaced the gas cap. I need every single, even the vapors. I want the vapors. Gas not cheap. Okay, so let's go into the car. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. It's a good sign right there that it's working. Watch this. No issues. Yes, sir. See? Just works. Also check out my carbon fiber wrap. This looks pretty dope. Did this side too. So what I'm gonna do is do this the radio thing right here, this side right here, and all this side right here. So let's get to work. Oh, let me show you what's going on with the trunk really quick. Okay, so now right in here, let me show you guys really quick. Right, this right here, it wasn't as tight as it was supposed to be. It would tighten, but then it wouldn't be that tight. So I tightened it all the way down, and it works, man. It works. I thought I was gonna have corrosion in the positive cable, but turns out I got lucky. some of these pieces back on. This piece right here was by far the hardest piece to do. By far the hardest piece to do. Let me get this back on. It's not perfect, but hey, whatever. I might take it off again. And the radio kind of hides most of the garbage. Yeah, I might just take this piece off, man. Forget it, I might need to wrap this again. All up in here. Okay. Maybe I could just tuck it in. Maybe not abandon ship so quick. Not abandon ship so quick. Not abandon ship so quick. Come back out here and smooth it out. This is looking pretty good. This is looking pretty good. This was not looking pretty good, so I ripped it off. I'm gonna have to wrap this again later on. Alright, so power position sensor. This is what we're gonna be replacing right here. Just gonna go ahead and get this off. I think it's a Torx. I don't think it's an anti-tamper Torx, but we'll find out. Let's get this thing off. And we can just replace it with the new one. Alright, so this is just a regular Phillips head. I can't do this with one hand, so I'll be back. Alright, so it doesn't look too bad, but you can tell it's weathered. It's alright. We got a new one. Let's put the new one in. Let's see a date. Anyway, let's get the new one in. New one in. Just tighten it up. Nice and snug. Come on, boy. Let's go. Come on. Oh boy, I hope this isn't stripped or anything like that. This other one tightens this up. Alright, put this back up. And then we'll take a test drive. Other than that, it's like, so what do we got going on next week? This. See you guys in the next one.